What if I told you most small creators are not failing because they made bad videos? They are failing because they don't understand how the YouTube system really works. YouTube is not luck, it's not talent, and it is definitely not about uploading every day. There are hidden growth levers inside this platform, and once you understand them, your channel will never be the same again. Today, I'm breaking down the real YouTube growth hacks that actually works in 2026. No fake guru trick, no shortcut, just strategies that move the algorithm in your favor. And one of these hacks alone can double your watch time. Let's unlock it. If you're new here, my name is Kelvin, and on this channel, I help content creators grow faster on YouTube. If you're serious about growing your channel this year, stay till the end, because the last strategy I'm sharing is the one most small creators ignore, and it costing them views. The very first point is the real strategy. Let's be honest, YouTube is overcrowded. Millions of videos, thousands of creators in your niche, big channels dominating search, and you are asking yourself, how do I compete with them? Here is the truth. You are not competing with big creators. You are competing with attention. YouTube only cares about two things. Do people click? Do people watch? That's it. Not your camera, not your intro music, not even your subscriber count. If people click and stay, YouTube pushes you. If they don't, you disappear. So the real question you need to ask yourself as a small creator who is just starting on YouTube is, how do you control those two things? Let's break it down. Growth hack number one, the click psychology. Before someone watches your video, they must click. And most creators get this completely wrong. They write titles like "My YouTube Tips." That is not clickable. That is invisible. Your title must create curiosity. Instead of YouTube growth tips, you can try something like why 90% of small creators never grow. Avoid this mistake. You see the difference. One informs and the other trigger curiosity. Ask yourself a question whenever you create a video that you want to upload on YouTube. First, if you see a title like what you have, will you click it? Second, if you see your thumbnail, will you stop to read it and click? Because your thumbnail does one job: to make someone stop scrolling. Not to explain everything, not to look pretty, but to create curiosity. Clarity beats complexity. Big text, high contrast, one clear idea. But even if they click, you can still lose. That brings us to our second growth hack, which is the first 30 seconds rule. Most creators, they lose 40% of their viewers in the first 30 seconds. Why? Because they waste time. Long intro. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this channel I teach people how to do this, how to do that. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Talking about something that doesn't matter in the video. Welcoming people, telling them to subscribe, giving them your schedule. You have not given them the problem they click to get. The first 30 seconds of your video decide the future of that video. Now here is the formula to fix it. State the problem, agitate the pain, promise a solution. For example, if your videos are getting views but no subscribers, you are making this mistake. Now the viewer want to know the mistake. That is retention, and retention is powerful. But here is where it gets interesting. YouTube don't just look at how long people stay to watch your video. It's look at what they do next, which brings us to our next point, the hidden growth lever. This is where small creators lose massive growth. You upload, people watch, video end, they leave. Session over. YouTube hates that. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform. So if your video leads to another video, YouTube rewards you. This is where cards, end screen, playlists become powerful, not as decoration, but as strategy. At 5 minutes of your video, you can say something like, if you haven't seen my video of increasing CTR, watch this next. As intentional direction. At the end, don't just say goodbye. You can say, now watch this video to double your watch time. Guide the viewer, control the journey. When viewers watch 2, 3 of your video in a session, you become valuable to the algorithm. And this one alone can change your entire channel. The algorithm mindset shift. Stop trying to beat the algorithm. Start partnering with it. Ask yourself every time you upload, does this solve a clear problem? Will someone search for this? Does my title create curiosity? Does my intro hook attention? Am I guiding viewers to my next video? Growth on YouTube is not random. It's predictable when you understand behaviors. And here is something most people won't tell you. Consistency beats intensity. One viral video won't save your channel, but 50 strategic uploads that builds authority. Now, do you want the real secret hack? Because what I'm about to review with you is going to blow your mind. It's not a trick, yes. It's studying your own data. Go to your analytics, check your audience retention, check your click-through rate, check your top performing videos. Instead of guessing, let your data teach you. Your best video already shows you what works. Double down on that. So here is the challenge. Don't just watch this video. Apply one thing. Fix your title. Improve your first 30 seconds. Add strategic end screens. Small changes, big differences. Now I want to hear from you. What is your biggest struggle on YouTube right now? Is it click-through rate or consistency? Comment below. I read every comment that come on this channel. And if you're serious about unlocking YouTube growth this year, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any update that I will come and share. If you want to know the mistake that kills small channels in 2026, watch this video. On this video, I elaborate the mistakes that kill small channels, the things you need to do to fix it.